For this tutorial, you will need some yarn and a crochet hook. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to make a chain. It needs to be multiples of 3 plus 1. I want to make 5 X stitches for this tutorial, so I'm going to chain up 16. Once finished making your chain, you're going to turn and you're going to work in the second chain from the hook. You're going to single crochet back down that chain. So I had a total of 15 single crochet. Once you're done with your first row of single crochet, you're going to turn, chain 1, and single crochet in each single crochet you made. And the reason why I'm doing another row of single crochet is because I want my work to show the right side of my stitches. So if I were to do the X stitch after the first row of single crochet, it would show the wrong side of the single crochet. So we're going to do 2 rows of single crochet and then we're going to start the X stitch. So again, I'm doing 15 single crochet, which is multiple of 3, and I will have 5 X stitches. Okay, once we're done with our second row of single crochet, we are going to turn our work and we are going to start our X stitch. So we're going to chain up 8. Okay, then you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull up a loop in the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over, skip 2 single crochet, pull up a loop in the next single crochet, yarn over and pull through 2 loops 4 times. Okay, now we're going to yarn over 3 times. We're going to pull up a loop in the same single crochet as your last leg, yarn over, pull through 2 loops twice, and then you're going to skip 2 single crochet, pull up a loop in the next single crochet, yarn over and pull through 2 loops 4 times, chain 2, and then DC in the center of the cross stitch. And we're just going to repeat those steps again. once you're done with your X stitch, you're going to turn your work and you're going to work 2 single crochet in your X stitch, and then you're going to work 1 single crochet between the 2 X's, and you're going to do this until you get to the end of the row. The reason why I do this is because I want my X stitches to be facing up. So I'm just making a row of single crochet, as if I were to continue doing my X stitches, they would be on the wrong side. So you're going to continue to the end of the row, and when you get to the end of the row, you're going to work 3 single crochet in the last X stitch. So you're still doing multiples of 3. So at the end, I will have a total of 15 single crochet. And you are finished. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and please like, comment, and share.